When it comes down to forearm and dumbbell, you want to make sure you choose a lighter weight to start off. If you go heavyweight, you could injure your wrists really fast, affecting your workout. And you want to make sure you get a good form when you're doing forearm. You have yourself a light pair of dumbbell, put your other hand here, and then look at this. Down, up, down, up. See that? Look at it. Look. Simple and easy. Twist up and down. This about 3 to 4 sets. You want to stick your rep range between 10 to 20, and the last set I recommend to go failure. And the other one we're gonna do is to keep your forearm flat on your knees like this. Come all the way down, squeeze it up, all the way down, and squeeze it up. You want to hold this about 3 seconds. Hold it 3 seconds. Come down slowly. Squeeze it up. Come down slowly. Then we're gonna turn our hand opposite side to get the top right here. So keep your hand flat and then lift it up. Go lightweight, do not go heavyweight yet. Start off light, get the form. You could put your hand on the bench too, and that's fine. Slow and steady, baby. If you go too heavy, you will get hurt. And you do not want to get hurt. Do not blame me, because I didn't tell you to go heavyweight. Slow and steady. Simple exercise to build and increase your forearm strength right at home. So when it comes down to grip, I recommend these right here. Fingers. Exercise your fingers, and my favorite one of all time is this right here. Basically, you want to do this about 3 to 4 times a week. And what do? You just squeeze it. Squeeze. Look at this. Squeeze, squeeze. The good thing about this one, you could go light to heavy. You just turn this right here and you make it the intense level really hard. Grip is really good. If you get a strong grip, when you're deadlifting and you hold that bar, it's not slipping out. You don't even need powder or straps if your grip is really strong. So you gotta increase the grip, especially if you're gonna give somebody a handshake too. Want to make sure you get a firm grip. Squeeze it, and same thing. You're gonna go between 10 to 20 repetition, failure the last. And when you're gonna do like this, squeeze and hold the tension. Hold it for about 3 seconds. And then what I like to do, I like to turn it upside down like this. Look, see that? See, I'm not here to sell you this. I'm not here to commercial anything. I'm just letting you know how you could build forearm and build your grip right at home. And this thing is cheap. Check in the description box if you want to read up more about it. I'll leave the details in it, but look at that. You don't need expensive stuff to build forearm or waist hours in the gym to just build forearm. You could build forearm at home. If you're working too much and you don't have time and you want to build forearm, just get this and a light pair of dumbbell and build forearm right at home. Listen, if you like this video, smash that subscribe button. Also give me a thumbs up. I got more upcoming videos coming up right now. Check my playlist for more videos. I have a lot more videos there too, and I appreciate everybody. I'll see you guys next time on BV. Get those forearm, man. Look at that.